Hey, James in the BimmerWorld shop, and I'm here to talk about a new kit we've been collaborating on for this F87 M2 comp. Now this is also going to work on F80, F82 cars with carbon ceramic brakes. Of course, the M2 comp has iron discs with this big silver caliper and typically a 400 mil rotor. And our kit, which I'll show you in a moment, brings that down to 380 so you can fit an 18-inch wheel. Pretty awesome for cost savings at the racetrack. Now, those carbon ceramic equipped F80, F82 cars, this is part of an iron brake conversion. So we'll be using this kit to step down the iron brake conversion, get those on a 380 mil, which is also going to be really good for weight and some of that gyroscopic moment of inertia. You're also going to have to do an iron brake conversion on the back of the car, so it is a full iron brake package. But let me show you what we've got here. These GiroDiscs, and by the way, this car already has this kit installed. These GiroDisc discs, 380 mil, 36 wide, and a custom hat to mount this on these cars. And you're going to keep your stock caliper, but you're going to use this bracket. So this is a custom bracket. It's going to come with new hardware to put it on the spindle, new hardware for your caliper to the bracket, and basically it just sucks that caliper in on this now smaller rotor. And again, that's so you can put 18-inch wheels, and this is our TA16 on this thing for plenty of clearance at the racetrack with a lot less budget for an 18-inch wheel and tire package.